So firstly we will talk about some basics of percentage. Percentage is denoted with a symbol. We can see here the word percent. In this, the cent word means century, and this century in itself is known as 100. And this per means per unit. Per unit out of 100. It means every 1 unit out of 100, 1 upon 100, this is considered as 1%. Or we can say the fraction value of 1% is 1 upon 100. This symbol means 1 upon 100. So we can write 1 into percentage, or 1 into 1 upon 100, or 1 upon 100. So this is both these are same. Let me take an example. Suppose this is a single stick, and this stick is 100% in itself, or we can say this 100% is also 1 unit, as we are having only 1 unit of stick. So we can write it as 100% or 1 unit. But if we divide this 100% into 100 equal parts, then we can say this one part of this stick is 1 upon 100, or we can say 1%. We have divided this stick into 100 equal parts, and this one is 1% out of 100. So percentage is nothing, it is also a fraction. We can write as percentage, fraction and decimal. These all are twin brothers. Let me take an example. If there is 25%, this 25% can be written as 25 into this percentage symbol means 1 upon 100, or we can say 1 by 4, or we can write this 1 by 4 as 0.25. See, write this in the fraction form or in the decimal form. Both these will remain same. Value will not be changed. Now coming to the question part. Take example, a fruit seller has some apples. Out of that, he sells 40% of apples. He sells 40% of apples. Still 420 apples are left. Then find original number of apples. So we can see in the question, a fruit seller has some apples. Out of these apples, 40% of the apples are sold. Still 420 apples are left. Then find the original one. As we have already talked about it, that original, or we can say total number of apples can be considered as 100%. Okay. Suppose their original will be 100%, and out of this 100% of apples, 40% of apples are sold. So we can write 100 minus 40%, 100% minus 40%, then we will get 60%. So this 60% of apples we can see are left. These are left. And in the question it is given still 420 apples are left. So these 60% of apples are equals to 420 of the apples which are left. It means the value of 60% is equals to 420 apples because 60% of apples are left. We can simplify it as 60%. We can write as 60 into 1% is equals to 420. And this can be written as 60 upon 100 into 60 upon 100 is equals to 420. So cross multiply it here. We will get 700 apples. We can also solve it directly. As we can see in the question, it is written a fruit seller has some apples and he sells 40% of the apples. If he has sold 40%, we can directly say that 40% is sold, then 60% of the apples are remaining. So 60% of that apples are is equals to 420 of the apples. So 60% is equals to 420. Directly we can write, and from we can directly get 700 apples. So this can be a shortcut for this question. Now second question. Two students appeared in an exam, and out of one got 9 marks more than the other one. And this same student got 56% of some of their marks. Then find marks obtained by both of them. So coming to the question, two students appeared in an exam. There are two students. Out of these, one got 9 marks more than the other. So solving it by the basic method, we can write if one got X marks, then the person who has got 9 marks more than him, then we can write if one got X marks, the other one will get X plus 9 marks. Okay. Then the person who had got 9% more marks than the other, this same student got 50% of the sum of their marks. Suppose if this student got 56% of sum of their marks, then we can write this like that. x plus sum of their marks is x plus 9. So we can write as 2x plus 9, and this 2x plus 9 is 56%. We can write it as 2x plus 9 is equals to 56 upon 100, or we can write it as, if we are cutting it by 4, then we can get 14 for the, oh sorry, 4 14 is 56 upon 25. So we can write it as, cross multiplying both the sides, 50x plus 225. If this goes this side, so we will get 25 into 2x plus 9 equals to 14, or we can write as 50x plus 225 equals to 14, or we can write it as 225 50x, this 225 will go that side, then we will get 225 minus 14, or we can say